I got my first, it took me 2 months to get to 1,000 subscribers without knowing what I was doing. But I used to watch a lot of tutorial YouTube help channels, and they kind of helped me get there. And then once I knew what I was doing and I got to 1,000, I promise you, within a month, I got from 1,000 to 10,000. I promise you. You can check the statistics. Go on my channel and check my 1K celebration video and check when my 10K celebration video was and look at the time difference. And then from that point, it took me, I think, 9 months to get to 100,000. So I promise you this strategy does work. What's up guys, welcome to AStar Insight, the place where you get an insight into how to win on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to get from 0 to 1,000 subscribers real quick. Now guys, listen, I understand this might sound, it might sound a little bit crazy, a little bit crazy. Mostly because I told you in a recent video, please don't focus on the numbers. But in this particular video, we're going to be focusing on the numbers, okay? And that number is 1,000. And it might seem very difficult to get there, but I promise you it's not as difficult as you think. If you look onto YouTube and you look at the channels I don't have, because I've been doing a lot of research, I've been looking at your channels and I've been trying to help you guys out personally. If you look at their channels, you're going to notice something about them. They don't really look professional, right? They don't really look like they've spent a lot of time into thinking about what they're posting. I don't mean their channel art, I don't mean their banner and things like that. I mean things like their thumbnails, their video titles, their description, things like that. So these are little things that you can do. It won't take much time, but when you're uploading your video, just take a bit of time to make a thumbnail that you would want to see if you were searching for your video. Make a title that's searchable. For example, how to get to 1,000 subscribers very quickly. How to get from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. These are things people have searched, and I'm sure you searched that because you found this video. So you do things like that. You make sure the titles is easy to search, but you're also consistent with that. So whatever you've put in the title that's searchable, put that in your description. Put it into a sentence. Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get to 1,000 subscribers very quickly, very easy. You know, put it in your description. Put it in the tags, tag it. Put it in the tags, make it as searchable as possible, because when people search that, when people search how do I get to 1,000 subscribers, you want your video to pop up, because that's how people are going to see it. You might even add a little bit extra to the end. In 2020, your competition might have posted a video last year, the year before. Sometimes people want the most current videos because the most current videos, the most recent videos are the ones that are about today's algorithms. So they're the most relevant. Do you know what I mean? So you might add things like that, but you can make this specific to whatever niche you're in. And guys, I will make a future video on how to optimize your videos before you post it, just to make sure they're as searchable as possible. So if you want to see that, then please hit that like button, because the likes will let me know that that's what you want to see. But speaking about niche down guys, niche down. Let me explain something to you. If you want to make a specific type of video or a specific type of content, and you go onto YouTube and you type in that video you wanted to make and 1,000 videos pop up, then there's a good chance that once you make it, people aren't going to see yours first. You're not going to rank on the first page, the second page, the third page. You're probably not going to rank anywhere near those pages, even if you do optimize your videos, because your video won't have the views that they have. Okay, so you need to niche down as much as possible. And a perfect example of this is my channel, my main channel. On that channel, I do reactions, reviews, post commentaries of football. But if I left it to just reaction videos, that's too big a niche. So I made it smaller, reacting to football, you know, reviewing football, commentating on football events, football matches. But then I made it smaller and I focused on Brazil as a demographic. So now I've got reacting to Brazilian football. And all of a sudden, I look around and there's not many people competing with me in my niche. Do you see what we're talking about here? Do you see what we're doing? That's what I'm trying to say. So now when people search on YouTube, and try it now. In fact, do this right now. Go onto YouTube, pause this video, you can pause it, I'll give you time. Pause the video, go onto YouTube and search reacting to Brazilian football. I guarantee you my face will pop up. I guarantee it. And listen, there's probably people with more subscribers and get more views that will also pop up, but I'm gonna be there. And that's what I'm trying to say. Whereas if you just type in reaction videos, you probably won't see me. And on my main channel, I've got over 280,000 subscribers and you probably won't see me. And that's what I mean. Make yourself findable. Okay, so niche down on your content. Make it specific. If you like gaming videos, pick a game, pick a mode in that game and focus on that mode and be creative with that mode. Yeah, if you like to do makeup tutorials, pick a type of makeup, pick a style of makeup. Go crazy with it, be specific. Make sure you're doing stuff that you know other makeup tutorials can't do, so that when people search that specific thing, you're the only one. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So that's niching down. So far we've got optimizing your videos, which I'll make a video on specifically, but just doing things like titles, good titles, description, tags that are consistent, and we've also got niching down. But the next one is thumbnails. Guys, there's nothing that hurts me the most when I'm looking through you guys' YouTube channels than really bad thumbnails. And when I say really bad, I don't mean that, you know, they look bad. What I mean is that you didn't really try to make them pop out. You literally just picked a random screen. Like, you probably let YouTube pick your thumbnail. That's the truth. You picked a random part of the video and you let that be your thumbnail. No, don't do that. That's too regular. People are gonna look at that, and even if the video is very, very good, they're never gonna know because they're not gonna click on your video. Period. That's the fact of the matter. They're not gonna click on your video. Put some text there, not too much, just something short that will not the same as the title, but something that will indicate what the video is about. Okay. So for example, in this, I might put 0 to 1,000, and then maybe the YouTube icon. And you'll know exactly what the video is about without even reading the title. Okay? So all of a sudden, you looked at the thumbnail and you're interested. Even if you wasn't looking for a video that had anything to do with getting to 1,000 subscribers, you might look at that and think, okay, well, I was thinking of starting a YouTube channel. Let me watch this and see how easy it is. You see, so it kind of gauges interest if people do happen to find your video. If YouTube happen to suggest your video onto someone else's timeline, they might click on it because your thumbnail looks like, it doesn't have to look extra professional. It doesn't have to look like a Photoshop thumbnail. You just have to make it has to be simple but sweet. You know, it has to hit the sweet spot. And I have made a video detailing you how to actually make thumbnails. Very simple, for free, no Photoshop needed. You can find it on my channel, or I can put in the link in the description down below, or I can make it pop up over here, hopefully, whilst I'm editing. But yeah, that's thumbnails. Okay, so far we've got optimizing your videos, niching down your content, and creating engaging thumbnails. The next part, and this part is probably the hardest part, because when I tell you, even the biggest YouTubers out there haven't necessarily mastered this to a T. But you want to try and make people watch as much of your videos as possible. And if you are still watching, guys, please let me know down below by putting a smiley face in the comments, just to let me know that you reached this part, okay? Because I want to just check something. Because I know sitting down talking to camera is a bit boring. I prefer to be doing something more engaging, putting screen prints on, or maybe screen sharing so you can see my screen. But unfortunately, there's nothing to share at this point. You know, this is just me telling you the truth on how to get to 1,000 subscribers. But you want to get people watching as much of the video as possible. They might not make it to the end, but make them watch as much as possible. I didn't do it in this video, and I probably should have, but tell them, guys, watch the whole video. Or wait till the end. Watch till the end. Or have something for them at the end. Guys, at the end, I'm going to be shouting out subscriber of the week or something like that. You know, so people wait till the end. Or maybe just make a video very exciting to the point where people don't want to leave. I don't know, it's a tough one to, it's a tough nut to crack. But once you crack it, then you can forget about 1,000 subscribers. You're on your way to 100,000 subscribers, fact. Why? Because YouTube has an algorithm, yeah, that is based on watch time. If people are spending a lot of time watching your videos, and I don't mean your video is 20 minutes long but they've watched 1 minute. I mean if your video is being watched maybe 50% plus. So whatever time however long your video is, if people are watching 50% or more, YouTube will think, okay, well this video is, you know, people are watching this, it might be interesting, we're gonna throw it out there a bit more, see what happens, throw it out to more people, throw it out, suggest it to more people. You're gonna get more views. More views equals more subscribers. More subscribers means you're on your way to 1,000 subscribers. And I know a lot of you are probably looking at this channel and you're probably seeing the number of subscribers on this channel. Yeah, guys, I'm speaking from experience because I've got another channel and I've done it there. I got my first, it took me 2 months to get to 1,000 subscribers without knowing what I was doing. But I used to watch a lot of tutorial YouTube help channels and they kind of helped me get there. And then once I knew what I was doing and I got to 1,000, I promise you, within a month, I got from 1,000 to 10,000. I promise you. You can check the statistics. Go on my channel and check my 1K celebration video and check when my 10K celebration video was and look at the time difference. And then from that point, it took me, I think, 9 months to get to 100,000. So I promise you this strategy does work. Okay, if you listen to everything I'm saying in this video and you use this strategy, you will get 1,000 subscribers, because the problem isn't necessarily your content. Your content could be the best content in the world, but the issue is convincing the robot controlling the YouTube algorithm to share your video. So those are my 4 tips. Optimizing your videos before you post it. Creating a good thumbnail for those videos. And when I say good, I mean an engaging thumbnail. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can just be you and text. Nothing special, nothing too... Don't overcomplicate your thumbnails, by the way. Narrowing down the niche of your content. Don't be like everyone else. Be different, be unique. You can look at other people's content and make similar content, but yours has to be special in some way. Whether that special is your personality, whether it's the specific content that you've narrowed down to, has to be special in some way, unique in some way. And making your videos watchable. Watch time, that's the most important. 10 minutes plus, please, preferably, yeah? 10 minutes plus, because if people are watching 10 minutes of your video, trust me, you're on your way up 100%. I promise you that. If you can convince people to watch 10 minutes of a video, I don't even think I can do that at this point. So you lot are probably not here anymore, but again, let me know. This time, I don't want a smiley face. I want do like a penguin emoji or something to let me know you're still watching. But yeah, those are my 4 top tips, guys. And you do that, I promise you, look, implement that now, come back to me in a month. Show me the proof. I promise you, you'll be on 1,000 subscribers if you're not already. And guys, this isn't just for the people who are below 1,000 subscribers. This is also for the people above 1,000 subscribers, because if you do these things, then you're on your way to 10,000. You're on your way to your next milestone regardless, yeah? So just take a picture now, a screenshot of your channel now, take it in a month. I want to see the proof, yeah? And that's it, guys. We're going to leave it there. So, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it and it helped, then please leave a like, dive into the comments below, and please let me know what else you'd like to see, because I want to make videos that will help you guys. I will leave it there. So, until next time.